Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have x to the power of 4 minus 16 is equals to 0, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. Here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Now we move towards the solution of this problem, and I hope so you like this method. But if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now first we rewrite this equation as this is x to the power of 4. We write it as x square and its whole square minus this is 16, and we write it as 4 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now further in the next step we use here the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have a square minus b square is equals to a minus b times of a plus b, and you see here the base of this term is called over a and the base of this term is called over b. So we use this nice formula to the above equation, and our above equation is written as in this form. Here the first factor is a minus b. The value of a is x square minus the value of b is 4 into again a plus b. The value of a is x square and the value of b is 4, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x square minus 4 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write x square plus 4 is equals to 0. And now here we again rewrite this case as this is x square minus we write this 4 as 2 square, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now we again use this nice algebraic formula here. So when we use this formula it will be written as x minus 2 times of x plus 2, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further we again break this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x minus 2 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write x plus 2 is equals to 0. From this case we move plus 4 to the right hand side and we get x square is equals to minus 4. And for the values of x we need to remove this square sign from here, and for this we will take a square root on both of the sides. So when we apply square root it will be written as in this form. So here we break the square root in the right hand side and it will be written as square root of 4 into square root of minus 1. From left hand side this 2 and square root are gone and we get x is equals to here we know about that square root of 4 is equals to plus minus 2 into we know that square root of minus 1 becomes here iota. So these are the first two complex roots of the given equation. And now for the other roots we move plus 2 to the right hand side and we get the value of x is equals to minus 2. This is the third real root of the given equation, and from here we move minus 2 to the right hand side and we get x is equals to plus 2. This is the fourth root of the given equation. So these are the four roots in which we have x is equals to plus minus 2 be the real root, and here we have x is equals to plus minus 2 iota be the two complex roots of the given equation. And now in the next step we need to verify that is these roots be the solution or is these roots be the extraneous root. So for verification of these roots we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is x to the power of 4 minus 16 is equals to 0. So this is the our given question statement, and here first we verify x is equals to plus minus 2. We substitute it into the left hand side and we check its behavior. So we get plus minus 2 to the power of 4 minus 16 is equals to 0. We know that the if the base is negative and its exponent is an even number, so it will always gives us the positive answer. So you see that the exponent is even number, so plus and minus gives us the positive answer only. Okay, so we have 2 to the power of 4 and 2 to the power of 4 becomes here 16 minus 16 is equals to 0, and here you clearly see that we will get 0 equals to 0. This shows that both the sides are equal. It means that the value x is equals to plus minus 2 is satisfied our given question statement. And now in the same pattern, we verify x is equals to plus minus 2 iota. So we substitute it into the left hand side, and it will be written as plus minus 2 iota and its whole power 4 minus 16 is equals to 0. So here we again break the exponent 4 here, and it will be written as plus minus 2 to the power of 4 into iota to the power of 4 minus 16 is equals to 0. So here further we know that the again uh, the exponent is even number, so we get here plus minus becomes plus, and 2 to the power of 4 becomes 16 into this is iota to the power of 4, and we write it as iota square and its whole square minus 16 is equals to 0. So here we know that iota square becomes minus 1, and we get here 16 times of minus 1 whole square minus 16 is equals to 0, and minus 1 square becomes here plus 1, and we get here 16 minus 16 is equals to 0, and we easily get here 0 equals to 0. This shows that both of the sides are equal. It means that all of the roots are satisfied our given question statement. So finally we have the solution set of the given question is plus minus 2 and plus minus 2 iota. So these are the four roots of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.